Yeah, we are very early here. Here is our good roti chalo. Okay, ឥឡូវនេះពួកយើងបានរៀបចំគេវ៉ាន់បដាហើយមើលម៉ោងប៉ុន្មានហើយ Oh my goodness, 4:49 a.m. Yeah, we about to go to the Fraser Hill, and our guy, also our friend, she will come to pick us up. He's like a little bit messy, so yeah, I'm gonna take them to the Fraser Hill, and let's see what we can find over there. ជាងយើងនឹងធ្វើដំណើរប្រហែលជាខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ទង់2ម៉ោងជាងទៅ3ម៉ោងពីកូឡាឡាំពូទៅ Yeah, it's gonna take us around 2.5 or 3 hours to get there, and yeah, we're gonna go straight to the location and do some birding, and we will stay 2 nights. Yeah, we don't have enough time and we did not plan ahead, so everything will look a little bit messy and rough, but yay, we enjoy. Okay, let's go in. We just meet Si Hong, our guy. It's okay. Everyone get in. You got every stuff in. All right.
So you have quite a lot of things.
Sorry about it. Yeah, we are very early here. And that's a toll road, isn't it? I mean, you use that.
Yeah, it's a highway.
Okay. So your highway. Okay.
Spicy.
Oh, fine.
It's not spicy. Do you want to Have you tried roti canai before?
I'm not sure. Maybe you can order. Is that something with rice?
No. They put it like this. You can add some egg. Do you want this one?
Yeah.
Try this one. This is very nice.
Okay.
With the egg.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, try this one too.
Roti telur empat ya.
Yeah. We stopped for breakfast after 2 hours driving. Yeah.
Sit down.
Okay.
Do you want to?
I think it's okay. No problem.
And also, if you not enough, you can also try nasi lemak.
Oh.
This is the rice. Have you tried nasi lemak?
Many times.
Yeah.
Maybe this man not and money not.
Sit down, right? And then
Tea? Here is our food. Roti chalo. Something like a pancake with egg.
it's a wrap.
Oh, roti, yeah. No roti, and the soup is spicy.
We need to listen to their call.
Wow, big belt there.
Yeah, beautiful. The one in my t-shirt.
Yeah. So just. You know who is the artist of your t-shirt?
Yeah, we are selling it. We are selling the t-shirt.
Yeah. Oh, you.
Bird Group. Malaysian Nature Society. Bird Group is selling this. I'm the merchandiser. So
Okay, you're the merchant. I bought one last time from the same type of shirt like that. When they went to Cambodia for the Cambodian bird fair.
Oh, Mr. Lau, is it?
Yeah.
Lau Kok Heng, is it?
I'm not quite sure which one, but most three of them always traveling together. Uncle Tang, Mark Ang, and another friend of him.
Oh, Andy.
Yeah, I think Andy.
And, oh, they are from Melbourne.
No way. On the exact way. Is it? That's cool. Our first birding spot. How long we gonna spend here, or see home?
Up to you.
Okay, fine.
When you say you want to go further, then we go.
Okay, now we continue our birding to another spot, following the very quiet road.
This place, we hardly come here. Very quiet.
Yeah.
So I'd like to explore this place also.
Yeah, we can't do anything now. It's just raining, so sit and wait here. Okay, we get into our house now. Yeah, and then it's still stuck inside because of the rain. We got one bedroom here, shower room here, and this is our room for 3 people, Mr. Hart, Moni, and me. So such a big room, and nice view outside. You can see some birds, I think, later on. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Our shower room is here. Enggak ada nyam. Enggak ada. Well, just now we finished our day on the first day Fraser Hill. Yeah, we got a lot of good things. Yeah, some red-headed dragon. Love interests.
Này.
See.